have
can't
one
hear
in a
you.
can.
Move
And what
over
you
so I can
should
take
see
pictures.
this little dot?
Yeah.
It should be just flat along this line.
Yeah.
Stay on this side.
And then you put the dot on what you want to see.
Is it on safe?
Yep. What are you shooting at?
I'm shooting for the white balloon.
The white balloon?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm on it.
You're pretty close. Okay, it's ready to go.
Whoa!
Did it shoot any?
What happened was my fingers got like jammed. It hurts.
Alex, did it shoot?
Can I
Here,
get
watch
this
the bullet
one
come
since
out.
I shot it?
Huh?
Can I get this one since I
Yep,
shot
catch it.
it? Is it hot?
Nope.
Can I shoot one again?
Holy snap!
Thanks,
That
you one.
scared me. Is the deer hunting rifle that loud or not?
About the same.
About the same.
Okay.
It's
I'm gonna try and shoot one of
No,
the
let them-
red ones.
Okay. Put a bullet in.
You have the red
But
ones?
it hurts your hand.